For this project, you're going to need a scrapbook, some ribbon, a glue stick, some wedding stickers and some pretty scrapbook papers. Choose your scrapbook and cut a piece of decorative paper to the size of the front cover and stick down using the glue stick. Select your stickers and cut out. They have a transparent background which allows you to arrange them on the surface of your cover. Once you've decided where you want them to be, peel off the back and stick them down. You can use the ribbon to decorate the book a little bit further. And then fill with all your beautiful wedding memories. For this project, you're going to need a scrapbook, assorted stickers, ribbon, baby design scrapbook card, feet and hand stamps, an ink pad and some alphabet stickers. Cut a piece of decorative paper large enough for your alphabet stickers and glue to the middle of the scrapbook. Cut some ribbon for the border and glue all the way around the outside of the card. You can use the feet and hand stamp to create a lovely design around the front of your book. Just stamp them onto a piece of white card and cut around the outside. Once dry, stick to the book. Finally, use the alphabet stickers to either write the baby's name or write the word baby if you don't know the name yet, and then add some extra stickers for a bit of fun. For this project, you're going to need a scrapbook, some Posca pens, a pencil and a bowl smaller than your scrapbook. Lay your blank scrapbook in front of you and place the bowl in the middle. Use a pencil to draw a light circle around the bowl and then draw your initial in the middle of the circle. Fill in the outline with the black pen. Next, draw green leaves around the circle and allow to dry. In between the leaves, draw some squiggly roses. Once dry, add a few black dots in the middle of the roses. Finally, draw some definition in the leaves using the white pens. Once all is dry, you can start writing in your journal.